Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Venerable Dhammanda Thero. I'm from Sri Lanka. I am Sri Lankan Buddhist monk. I'm staying in Thailand. I'm staying in Bangkok, Mahachula Lankara Rajavidyalaya University. I'm study at university. I'm Buddhist faculty student. I am BA student. So my subject is Buddhism and science. My teacher is Dr. Ying Onjira. So I am studying here Buddhism and science, and today I would like to share with you what I learned, what I studied in university, what I learned from my teacher. So I would like to share with everyone. I think it is sharing knowledge is I think is a good thing and best thing. So I think everyone can learn something, and when I sharing what I learn, what I study at university, especially Buddhism and science, is a very interesting subject. And Buddhism and science. The science today we all live very modern world, and scientific have developed, and also technology, everything we live today is a modern world, smart world. So it is important to learn about the science. I think Buddhism and science go together. So without science, Buddhism cannot exist, and without Buddhism, science also cannot exist. So this science and Buddhism, they always go together. So it is very important to understand. Today we can see what the Buddha taught us, and during the Buddha's period time, 2600 years ago, during the Buddha's time, Buddha have given many discourses, many suttas, and so today we can understand when today we live in the modern science society, and so when scientists discovered everything today, so when they discovered the universe, and when they discovered about the solar system, but Buddha already have explained about that before. So before Buddha already explained about that. That's the most interesting thing. So today I'm going to share with you about the universe. I think universe is so we call about the universe, universal energy, and we call law of attraction. So there is a different name in universe, and universal energy, universal law. So what is this universe actually? So universe is everything, right? Your universe is everything. So we call universe is everything, and universe is space, universe is stars, and universe is our solar system, planet, and galaxy. So everything is universe. So we call this everything. What is this universe, and the origin of universe? When we talk about the origin of universe, the origin of universe, the origin of everything, the origin of universe, the origin of everything, it was together the many billions years ago. When we talk about the origin of universe, it is everything, the origin of everything, it was together like all galaxies, and all galaxies and universe, it was together, beginning of the time, origin of universe. When we talk about the origin of universe, so what happened after that? And 13.7 billion years ago, 13.7 billion years ago, the Big Bang happened. So Big Bang happened, So the origin of universe, it was together, and the origin of everything. But after Big Bang happens, in universe, the Big Bang happened in universe 13.7 billion years ago. This happened. So after Big Bang, so there is a matter, energy, space, time created. So then the all the so after Big Bang, universe become like a very hot, and universe become a very hot, and so that time is everything like the big is a Big Bang. So all dust and gas everywhere. So later it will take millions years to cool down our universe, because after Big Bang, so it become like a very hot universe, and all dust and gases is everywhere. So after millions years ago, so then universe getting cooled down, so cool down enough. So then what happened? So the gas and dust was everywhere in universe after Big Bang. So then slowly all the gas and the gas and dust, so they collecting together. The collecting together. So then there is one galaxy appear. The one galaxy they started, like all the dust and gas collecting together, and there is appear one galaxy in the universe, the first galaxy they have found. So this is the beginning of the how galaxies started. So after that there are many, the billions of galaxy appeared in the universe. All the dust and gas all collecting. So after that there are billions of galaxies in the universe. So our galaxy, what is our galaxy? Our galaxy is called Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way galaxy is our galaxy is begin. We call it Milky Way galaxy is our galaxy. So after our galaxy begin, our solar system is started. So Milky Way galaxy, our cosmic home, we call Milky Way galaxy is our cosmic home. Now we have to understand there are how many galaxies in the universe. I think this question we have to understand. So in our class, our teacher also show us there are billions of galaxies, not only one galaxy. Our galaxy is a Milky Way galaxy, but there are billions of galaxies in the universe. Billion of galaxies, very interesting. And when I see that, and so there are so many billions of galaxies in the universe. So how come this is like really is very hard to imagine, and how this universe, how come this such billions of galaxies. And it is so interesting, actually. It's a wonderful and so surprised I feel. So how many galaxies are there in the universe? So scientists have found there are 120 billion galaxies in the universe. There are 120 billion galaxies they have discovered, but that's what scientists have discovered. But there are more galaxies they still haven't discovered. They still haven't discovered. So they say there will be trillions of galaxies in the universe. Not millions, not billions. There are trillions of galaxies in the universe. Regarding about these galaxies, when we come to the Buddhist point of view, in Buddha, so in the Dhammacakka Sutta, Buddha explained about end of the Dhammacakka Sutta, Dasasahasi Lokadhatu Sankampi Sampakampi Sampavedi. This means there are 10,000 world system. Buddha explaining about I think Dasasahasi, Tisahasi and Lokadhatu, and the Buddha explained about there are galaxies and 10,000 and Dasasahasi and Tisahasi and it's a Lokadhatu, and I think Buddha already explained about that, about the galaxies, billions of galaxies in the universe. There are other galaxies in the universe, so other galaxies in the universe. So every galaxies have their own solar system, right? So our Milky Way galaxy also have our solar system, but the other billions of galaxies, there are billions of galaxies in the universe, right? So their galaxy also have their own solar system. Our Milky Way galaxy also have our own solar system. Then you can imagine how many galaxies in the universe, how many solar system in the universe. So this is universe is a very big space. We can't even imagine. That's why Buddha say don't think about that, the universe, because we can't understand. We can't understand, and so Loka we say achintya. Buddha say it is so normal human beings, they cannot understand. So that is why our this solar system, the galaxies, is really so interesting. So when we come to our solar system, the birth of solar system. So our Milky Way galaxy located our solar system, right? In our Milky Way galaxy located our solar system. All planets around the sun, in solar system, in our solar system, all the planets around the sun. So our solar system located in Milky Way galaxy. The sun is a center of our solar system. The sun is the center of our solar system, not the moon. So we have to understand clearly, the sun is the center of our solar system. So other planets in our solar system all go around the sun because of the gravity. It's go like a rhythm. So around the sun. So that's how the solar system, all the planet in our solar system is working and go around. The sun is the center of our solar system. So what are the planets when we talk about what are the planets in our Milky Way galaxy? So our galaxy, we have to remember, is a Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system in the Milky Way galaxy, what are the planets? So there are planets Mercury and Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So these are the planets in our solar system. These planets all go around the sun. because the sun is the center of our solar system. So this is how our solar system is started. And then when we think about the earth, how far to sun, there are scientists have found 93 millions away from sun. Our earth is 93 millions away from sun. So this is universe, and how this after Big Bang, the universe, the gas and all the gas and dust all collected together. Then the galaxies appeared in the universe, and not only one galaxy. The first galaxy appeared. After that, there are billions of galaxies in the universe. Every galaxy have their own solar system. So our galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. So our solar system is just now I mentioned all the planets. So that is our solar system. So we live in the earth. That is the mother earth, our planets. So I think the science, this is very important thing to understand. It is very interesting. When we study about this, I think it is really important to know about this, and how the universe, how these galaxies, how the planets, our solar system. It is, I think, it's the most important thing to study and learn everybody. Without understanding science, how can we know about this world? We don't know anything, right? And we don't know anything about the universe. We don't know anything about the galaxy and our solar system. So when our scientists, when they start to think about this, when they study, when they discover, and when they experiment, so that is how today's science have developed. So we all have the opportunity to study about the science, and to get the wisdom, and to understanding. More understanding is really good for our knowledge and understanding about the universe, about the planets and about the galaxy. So I'm really love studying the science and Buddhism and science, because it's a really interesting subject. I want to learn more about that. I'm still studying. I'm a BA student. So I'm just still studying. So what I learn from our teacher, so I just like to share with everyone for your understanding. And so I think sharing knowledge is a good thing, and everyone can understand it. So that's what I learned today about the galaxy, also the solar system. So the last one is the Buddha also explain about this, the how is the universe begin, how this world is started. When we read about the Aggañña Sutta, so we can learn about that, how Buddha explain about that, how this beginning of the world, how everything is started. And so it is a more big story, so everybody can understand. So maybe next time we can discuss about that. So Aggañña Sutta, the beginning of the world, and also Buddha explained already end of the world. That's mean the Sapta Suryodgamana Sutta. There are 7 suns appeared in the universe. There are 7 suns appeared. Then after 7 suns appeared, so then earth and become destroyed. So this is happening end of the world. And so Buddha already explained it in Satta Suryodgamana Sutta. If you like to read, and you can understand more about that. So end of the world, there are 7 suns appeared. That means actually you can say and Buddha explained like a seventh sun appear, right? And when second sun appear, and then water and everything disappear on earth, and third sun appear and the living beings disappear, and they cannot survive, no water, no food and nothing. So all human beings, other living beings, all they die and they will disappear. And then fourth sun appear, then our earth getting heat, more heating, temperature getting increase in more temperature. And then fifth sun appear, there's some more temperature getting more increase more. And then when sixth sun appear, then earth is getting more very hot, getting more heating, and temperature is very high. When seven suns appear, it's already like a destroying, the earth is going to destroy, and is automatically. Because why the Buddha said the seventh sun appears mean you can see actually the Buddha's point is our earth is getting close to the sun. Our solar system, now we can see our solar system, all the planets, they go around the sun, right? When end of the world, this solar system, actually according to Buddha's point of view about the end of the world, the solar system also end of the world is destroying and is will be disappear. Sun also disappear, and other planets also, our solar system, all planets also disappear, and it will destroy themselves. And so we don't know other galaxies, the solar system, what will happen. And but in the Satta Surya Gamana Sutta, in the earth, Buddha explained already, seven sun appeared, and then our earth destroy itself and end of the world. So I think Buddha already explained the seven suns means our earth getting close to the sun. When second sun appear, mean our earth getting close to the sun, and third sun appear, and then we are getting more close to the sun. Then when we get more close to the sun, then the earth become a more heat, and temperature go more high increase. So because why we are getting close to the sun. When we closing to the sun, then it destroy. Because why? When we cannot close to the sun, because sun is too hot, right? And then when we get in more close to the sun, then our earth is automatically destroy itself. So this is what happening. So end of the world, these are the very interesting thing. We can study more about this and how this happening, how this end of the world happen, and what the Buddha explained about in Satta Surya Gamana Sutta, how this world is a begin, and what is about this galaxy. And this is really interesting to study and learn. Those who really like to learn science, I think these are the questions you can make yourself: how this happened, and what is this universe, and what is this solar system, what is galaxy, and how about this. And you can study more, you can search more, then you can learn yourself more about this. I think that's why study science and Buddhism, I think it's a very important thing. So this I think interesting subject. I really enjoying studying the Buddhism and science and in MCU University. So what I learned, I would like to share my knowledge, what I learned from my teacher in class in university. So that's what I do, and so I hope you are enjoying about listening. And so thanks for today listening for this science and about our universe and solar system, galaxy, and this is a small lesson. And so what I study, what I learn, I'm just sharing only. Thanks for listening. I wish you everyone happy, healthy and long life. May Buddha bless you. Namo Buddhaya.